Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football post-game show. Well, the Chicago Bears beat the Washington Redskins 31-15 at FedEx Field in Washington, D.C. tonight. The Bears just had an impressive game tonight, and they dominated this game from the start, and they never let up. The Redskins have fallen to 0-3. The Bears go to 2-1 before, as the Redskins, I said, go to 0-3, and they struggle both offensively and defensively. They did score 2 touchdowns, though. But the Bears jumped out to the early 7-0 lead in the first quarter, and they never let up from there. And then they scored 2 more touchdowns in the second quarter, and they went up 28-0. And they scored 3 touchdowns in the second quarter, went up 28-0. And then near the end, with 27 seconds left till halftime, that Washington kicked a field goal, and it was 28-3 at the half. And then the Redskins scored their first touchdown of the game, and it was 28-9 to Bears beating the Redskins. And the Redskins missed a field goal, and they scored 1 more touchdown in the fourth, and it was 28-15. And they went for the 2-point conversion, but that wasn't good. They did not get it. And then in the final, and then in the fourth, in the final 3 minutes of the fourth quarter, actually final 6 minutes of it, with 6 minutes left on the clock, the Bears kicked a field goal, and they went up 31-15. And then Washington tried to score 1 more time, and they just got intercepted, and in the final 2 minutes, and that was all Chicago needed, and Chicago gets the win. And so I took the Bears, and they did win, and the Bears get the win 31-15, and Chicago goes to 2-1, and the Bears to 0-3, and I was 9-7 on my picks this week. Although my brother-in-law forgot to email me the rest of his, so we'll do them together hopefully this week. And we have a great Thursday night football game coming up for you on Thursday, and that will be the Eagles and the Packers. And that will, the Packers and Eagles, and that will be at 8:20 on NFL on Fox. Actually, it'll be on Fox. And Sunday night we've got a great matchup: Dallas and the Saints. And that'll be an awesome matchup with Prescott and the Saints' backup quarterback. And next Monday night, on Monday Night Football, we will have the Cincinnati Bengals on the Pittsburgh Steelers. And that should be a good matchup. But we'll see what happens with that one. And this Sunday in Week 4, the Browns will head to Baltimore to take on the Baltimore Ravens in Baltimore. And hopefully we will be talking about a Browns win, as they hopefully will go to 2-2. And so that's just a few of the games coming up. And right now it's time to give out some game balls. Well, I have to give one to Bears quarterback Mitch Trubisky. 25 of 31 carries and attempts, 231 yards, 3 touchdowns, 1 interception. And I have to give it to the other game ball. I have to give it to Taylor Gabriel. 6 receptions, 75 yards, and 3 touchdowns. So basically, it was just a great game, just an impressive game for the Bears tonight. And Bears fans, how do you feel about this win? Because you're now 2-1 in the season, and this could really spark the Bears to have a really good season. So, just how do you feel? Do you think it's going to be a great season? And Redskins fans, I know you're saying right now we're sick of it, because I know after 3 straight losses you are, but anything can happen. You never know, but you have a lot of injuries right now, and you need to get healthy, so hopefully get some of your guys back in the coming weeks ahead. So, and I just really feel this was a great game. This was Bears just had this game just right from the start, and although Washington was down by 13, they were trying to come back, and come from behind, but they just could not do it. And it just was, they were trying to just get themselves back in the game, and it just was not meant to be for tonight and for them tonight. So I'll have to regroup and look at their mistakes and see what they can do in Week 4 coming up this Sunday. And I forgot to say that kickoff for the Browns-Ravens game will be at 1 o'clock on CBS 19. And kickoff for the Dallas Saints game, 8:20 on NBC. And kickoff for the Bengals-Steelers game, 8:20 on ESPN, Monday Night Football. So, I hope you were ready for some football tonight, because you really saw an impressive Chicago Bears team tonight, both offensively and defensively in this game tonight. So this was really an impressive game for the Chicago Bears tonight. And I just really feel I got to tip my hat to both Mitch Trubisky and Taylor Gabriel. They were the ones that Mitch Trubisky threw 3 touchdown passes, and Gabriel caught all 3 passes and scored them all. So that's why they get the game balls tonight. So I just really feel this was an impressive game for the Chicago Bears. But the Redskins, they need to they need to regroup. They need to really regroup, and I gotta tell you, they gotta look at their mistakes and study what they did wrong and really fix these problems. And Colt McCoy, he's still out with an injury, so hopefully they'll get that. And so he hopefully will come back in the coming weeks. And so, but the Bears get the win tonight, 31-15. Well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football postgame show. I'll be back with a regular podcast probably on Wednesday. And Scott Sports 101 Thursday Night Football pregame show on Thursday before the Eagles-Packers game, and postgame show once the Packers-Eagles game is concluded. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day, in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.